Okay, everybody, welcome. What's up? So we are here in our test window for JM Porter. We're going to copy the location, and then we're going to open up our terminal, because terminal is way cool. In admin mode, run as administrator, because admin is just better. Alright, so now we're here, right? So back at our, this is our TryHackMe VM, right? So we need to get files to or from here. How do we do that? Here's one option. So now with our OpenVPN, our IP with this guy is, one second. Our IP here is 10.13.88.205, right? So 10.13.88.205. That's important because I'm going to show you guys two ways to transfer things to and from your machines. So one way is go to the folder that you want to transfer things from, right? So we're going to CD into JM Porter window, alright? And we're going to make a quick test file. So echo one love onelove.txt. Alright, so now we just, now we got that one love text file right here, okay? Should I make it bigger? Would it be easier to see? There we go. We got the one love text file right there, okay? Just so you know it's there. So now, in the same file, we can do this. Python 3-m http.server. We got to choose a port number. So port number that's probably not being occupied is 5555. All right. So now we just made a server. We just turned this folder into a server. Okay. Yes, we want to allow it. Don't block my Python. So now the server is on port 5555 HTTP. So this is our IP. Okay. So now, let's say we want to connect to it. Let's open up our Chrome here. Open up our Chrome browser. This is a really quick and easy way to connect your machine to your VPN. Okay. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to type. Oh, come on. Fine, Google, set as default. You have your default now. You count, you are somebody. Alright, we're going to put in our IP, our OpenVPN IP is 10.13.88.205. Now, when we do this, oh wait, hold on. Semicolon, I think that's what it is. 5555. That's the port we chose, right? So now we do that, and boom! It's right there, our one love. So the same file that's in this directory, onelove.txt, boom, it's right here. We just click on it, one love. Oh yeah, and we can even right click, save link as. We're gonna save it on the desktop. Booyah. Now we just saved it on the desktop. Let's move this over a little bit. Minimize this, and bam, we have successfully downloaded it to our OpenVPN desktop. Yay! Which is awesome, right? Totally cool. And I think it works both ways. You can also do one here, terminal, and we can say Python, if you want to get it going both ways, 3-m http.server, we'll choose 3333. Now we have a server port here, and our IP here is 10.10.31.59. So now we just go to our own browser right here. We put in HTTP. Oh, I didn't even do that. 10.10, blah blah blah. We chose 3333, right? That was our server number. Bam! now we have all the files that are there, right? So we can download this stuff. So we can hit desktop, documents. There's a file here called, let me see, exercises. So right here, we just click on desktop, then exercise, and boom, we can download all the exercise files we need, right? And then get the activity done. Sweet, that works both ways. It's a little cumbersome, takes a minute, and you gotta remember the IPs and all that. So that's one way to get it done. Now, when I was working with this, I was asleep one day, and when I woke up, I'm like, hey, there's gotta be a simpler, easier way to do this, right? Like, come on, it's 2025, we can do this. And so I said, hey, let's make a Python. So I said, hey, let's make a Python program that can do this and make it freaking awesome. And Moon is like, yeah, and then let's have it upload too. And I'm like, wait, we can do both? We can upload and download? So now, that's where Jane Porter comes in. So we're gonna Control C to close the server. Then we're gonna close the server on our side. Two different servers, mind you. Control C. Control Shift C. Alright, so if it's Windows, just Control Shift C. If it's Linux, just Control C. And now we're back. So here's something else we can do. We can use a program called Jane Porter's window. Where is it? Give me a second. It's not in the master command. I need to put it in the master command. It is for Linux, but for Windows, I didn't do that yet. Okay, so I just put the program in here, Jane Porter's window. So now Jane Porter's window is a program that we developed that basically does all this stuff using a Python HTTP server, and you can do it on a system that doesn't have Python natively installed, which is awesome, and it goes both ways. Yeah, man. So instead of doing a server on both sides, you only need to do a server on one side. Dun, dun. Really wild, right? So I'll show you. Let's see. Start. Jane Porter's window, and bam. Now we're opening the window, and here it is. So on Windows it works a little slow for some reason, or maybe it's just this machine. So it scans for available ports, and it's going to give you a list of about 10 available ports you can choose from. Okay. Now let's make it. While that's running, let's make another program. Let's see. Echo. I gotcha, love. And we're going to call that gotcha.txt. So we have another file that we can show you guys. So just to show you that they're in here, we got gotcha.txt, Jane Porter's window, and onelove.txt. Alright, those are all the files in this folder. When you open up a server, in that folder, it makes all those files available. So do not open up a server on your desktop. Do not open up a server in your root file folder, because then everything will be available, and you don't want that. Alright, so it says we can choose the type of number to choose our port, or we can choose a custom port. Can you see this? Is it big enough? Okay, make it a little bigger. So we can choose from the number of available ports, or we can choose just push enter for the default port, or enter our own custom port. Now it starts at 1024 because everything below 1024 is important, so to speak. It's selective. You need sudo or admin access to open up any port below that number. Okay. Now if it's 1024 or above, then you can have at it. You don't need sudo or admin access to do that, which is so cool. All right. Granted, I did open this in the admin window because I always do admin because it's just simpler that way, which might be a vulnerability. I should look into that. So we're going to choose port. No, we're not going to do that. We're mature here. We're going to do port 5000. So now we open up a port 5000. Yes, allow. And in this case with Jane's window, this is Moon's idea. She's like, hey, let's let it upload too. So you can download and upload, which is freaking awesome. Now this tells you our port number is 192.168 blah 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 blah. However, when you have an OpenVPN, you can use the OpenVPN's IP and just keep the same port number. So our OpenVPN IP is 10.13.88.205, right? So we're gonna go back to our VM. Hey VM, what's up? And now we're gonna put in 10. So 10.13.88.205, same thing, right? But our port number is 5000. So just 1, 2, 3, 5000, and booyah! It's available. Now we're here. We can do stuff. We can check stuff out. We can read onelove.txt. Now, mind you, when you click on some files in here, if it's like an HTML file, it'll activate. So whatever program that is will activate. So be wary when it comes to like clicking on files in here. All right. The best way to download them is just to right click and then choose Save Link As. As you can see, it's like not secure. Okay, so I don't know why that's taking a second to open. We'll open it live. So now here you can actually upload using JImporter's window. The Linux version is just called JImporter, and the Windows version is called JImporter's window. So I feel like it has like a Rapunzel effect, right? Let's see, something we want to upload. Let's see, desktop. What's Make Terminal Desktop? That looks interesting. Downloads. Google Chrome stable. Alright, let's do this. So we'll upload. No, that's like a big file. I need a short, small file to get you guys to see what we got really fast. Alright, this is Try Hack Me, the cool little logo. We're going to upload this logo. Oh, so now it pops up, One Love. Okay, that's nice. It took a minute, but it eventually came. We're going to choose a file. We're going to choose One Love. We're going to open. Now we're going to say upload. Now, as a security feature, on the server side, it'll ask you, do you accept this upload? And then you're going to say, yeah, man, we accept, brother. Bam. And then, boom, boom, boom. File uploaded and saved. So now, on your server side computer, you have the file. Congratulations. Let's see, ls. Bam, it is, wait, oh, it's in uploads. Okay, so just cd and uploads. cd, uploads, bam, logo only wallpaper, the PNG, so it's there. So open, okay, start. And bam, there it is. We got the logo on our main computer. So that's a quick and easy way to send files to and from your VM. Now, you can also do this on files that are, you can do it between computers. So let's say you and your friends are together, you have a little hackathon, or you're doing a CTF and you need to give everyone the CTF flag, right? You can use Reddit, I think. People use Reddit a lot. Or you can use this. You can pop open JImporter's window or JImporter and then just send everyone the link. And bam, you're good to go. It's kind of cool actually, I like it. It's really good when you need to get files to and from your VMs or your other computers quickly. It's way better than USB. Okay, I hope that answers any questions you have. We just showed you how to do it. The program is called JImporter's window. Oh, you probably need to know where to download it. Right. So we're gonna go to GitHub. GitHub.com. It is under, where's Baba Ganoush? Baba, the mysterious Baba Ganoush. The mysterious Baba Ganoush. So if you go to github.com and go to the mysterious Baba Ganoush, you're going to click, that's interesting. I guess click this, then click here to go to our main page, whatever you call it. And then you're going to scroll down. That's Jane's window. That's a different program. That's a hash cracker. Where is JImporter? Click repositories. Bingo, right here, JImporter. You're going to click on JImporter. And boom. So you got the README right there. You got the Linux version right here. Then you got the Windows version right here. then you've got the raw Python files right here. So if you're one of those people, if you're like me and you don't like downloading programs off the net from random people, and you're like, I don't know if that's legit, how do I know you're not going to try to exfiltrate my tax documents, bro? Click on this and you can literally just look at all the code yourself. Alright, like boom, all the code's right there. And you can be like, hey, you let your AI assistant, ChatGPT, Alejandro, whatever their names are, to ask them to check it, see if it's valid, see if it has anything malicious, whatever, and you're good to go. Windows will ask you to give it permissions, as it does, because it accesses things, turns on ports and all that. But aside from that, yeah, here we are. So going back, what you would want to do is you could just click on that, I guess, save link as. How would you download from here? Yeah, just save link as, and then it'll give you all the stuff. Let me see, downloads. So boom, and it's gonna upload or oh, that was fast. Alright, open, and that's it right there. That's the program right there. We're gonna open with Sublime, because Sublime is freaking awesome. They're not sponsoring this video, but I wish they would. They're so cool. Yeah. Wait. Nice change on disk. Do you want to reload it? No. Don't reload. Okay, that's different. Wait, what's this stuff? Time the heck out. What is this? Okay, no, we're not gonna do it that. Oh, sweet Jesus, no. Okay, no, we're not doing it that way. Click on this. Click on that. Okay, then we just hit download raw file. Okay, that's what you're gonna do. You're gonna download the raw file. Bam. All right. So then from there, this is the raw file. Open. Okay, there we go. So download the raw file. So don't right-click save as. Click in there, then click download the raw file. Then boom, you got the raw file. It's good to go. Then just run that baby, and yeah, copacetic. No worries. Just delete that right there. Yeah, that I better not messed up my other thing. Okay, so that's it. That's what we can do. Hope you enjoyed the demo. And this software is free 99. This is the community version. Yay! So yeah, we make a lot of cool things at the company. We make a lot of cool software. We can also make customized software. Hit us up. And yeah, have a great day. How do I stop this? Come here. Hey, Sunday. Oh, thank you. You're so nice. Love you. Let's see, where's the stop button? Guys, where's the stop button? This is why I should have assistants here. No, I said the stop button, bro. What? No. 그럽니다. 미친치네. Where's the bloody stop button? Oh, there we go. Okay, stop recording.